In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Trimble File Flipper program to create machine control files on a Windows computer. So the first thing I need to do is locate the files that I need to make this design. So I have my USB stick plugged in, and on the stick I have a folder that I have the data in that I copied right from GCS900, my data collector. So I go in there, I locate the job file. This is my site, Atwater Village, and inside here I have the DC file and also my design folder, and inside here I have two designs. I'm going to create this one today, the finished grade residential, and inside here I have a DXF and a TTM. So those are the files I'm going to need to start, so I can back out of here and go to my desktop and start the Trimble File Flipper program. So once this starts up, it's going to ask me to locate those files. So I'm going to hit the browse button, and I'm going to go to the USB stick into that same folder, and I'm going to locate those two files, the DXF and the TTM, that I want to create this design with. So I'm going to hold the control key down and grab both of those files and hit open, and it's going to put them into the list. So in the file flipper, just make a note that you have to check both boxes here. So you're going to say, I want this DXF for my map and this TTM as my surface. So I'm going to hit continue, and it's going to ask me what my project units are, and I have selected US survey feet. Then I'm going to hit continue. It's going to create the files that I need and then ask me what type of system am I going to be working with here. So I got GCS900 and Earthworks, so I'm going to start with GCS900, and it's going to say, will I be using GPS? Yes. And I need to select the site calibration. So in this case, I have done a site calibration on my site. I have a DC file. I'm going to browse for that. So I'm going to pick local site calibration. It's going to take me back out to that location, and I have it saved here. I'm going to choose the Atwater Village DC and hit open. Will I be using a geoid? No. It's going to give me a chance to review my selections. So this is my design name. This is what the operator is going to see on his control box for that design. I'm going to keep all this stuff the same. Everything looks good. Hit save, and then it's going to say, where do I want to go with this design? So I want to go right to the root folder of my stick because I already have a machine control data folder on here. So I can just choose the root folder, make sure it shows up right here in this box, and hit select folder and hit save, and it's going to create the files that I need in the appropriate spot on the USB stick. So we'll go, after this finishes up, we'll go back out there. It says it was successfully done. So I'm going to go out to my USB stick. I'm just going to double check and make sure everything is there. Go to my machine control data folder, into the all folder, and here's that file name that I just created. So inside here I have my SVL, my SVD, and my calibration file.